I start with 1 kilogram of wheat flour. I personally use organic flour, but don't worry, you can absolutely use regular flour too. And yes, since it's organic, I carefully make sure to get every single gram out of the package, because when it's organic, none of it goes to waste. Then I add 2 small teaspoons of cardamom powder. Trust me, this is what gives these buns that special sweetness. Add a sprinkle of salt. Now we mix the flour, cardamom powder, and salt, and honestly, this is the part that surprises everyone. You need so little. This dough needs some fat, and I'm using coconut oil because it's a natural, plant-based fat that's easy for the body to digest. It's minimally processed, free from additives and rich in healthy fats. Coconut oil adds richness without heaviness and supports a smooth, well-balanced texture, keeping the final result light, nourishing and wholesome. Instead of adding more coconut oil, I used the water from cooked chickpeas, aquafaba. It's left over from my chickpea salad recipe. Check it on my profile. Bonus: extra minerals plus a better dough texture. Then just let the fat melt on the stove. Blend it until smooth and perfectly combined. Next, measure 700 milliliters of water. Then warm that water a little bit. Pour the water into the container for the yeast. Be careful, it shouldn't be too hot. Carefully put the yeast into the warm water. Slowly and carefully pour the fat into the dry ingredients. After a few minutes in warm water, the yeast becomes easier to mix with the water. This is where the dough comes alive. Yeast water in. Mix gently, don't rush it. Just keep mixing with the spoon. Carefully, evenly. Watch the dough change. Flour the table. Any flour you like, fine or coarse. Spread it evenly. Pour the dough out. every bit of it. Don't waste this. Start working it. Feel if it needs more flour. I always use less flour, fluffier buns. Knead gently. No force. Soft, fluffy dough. Knead a bit more. Carefully. Feel that texture. Soft is better. Less flour, not more. Don't worry, you can always add more later. Place the dough back in the bowl. Let it rest and rise. About an hour. Patience is key. Cover it with a kitchen towel and a little love. Time for pears. The more, the better. Use as much as you have, even a whole kilo. Wash the pears thoroughly.
Slice the pears. I chose pears because they have a natural sweetness, no added sugar needed. And when you bake them, they get even sweeter and more caramel-like. Pears are also packed with fiber, which is great for digestion, plus minerals like potassium that support your heart and muscles. Fun fact, pears are one of the few fruits that actually get sweeter after cooking. Not just softer, healthy, simple, and naturally delicious. What country are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. Chop the pear into small cubes. Simple, right? But this little fruit is doing big things for your body. Pears are packed with fiber, which helps digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. That makes them great for gut health and weight management. One pear can give you a serious fiber boost without a lot of calories. They're also rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, helping support your immune system and protect your cells from damage. And because pears have a low glycemic index, they don't spike your blood sugar perfect if you're watching your energy levels. Pears are naturally sweet, super hydrating, and gentle on the stomach. So next time you chop a pear into small cubes, remember, you're not just prepping fruit, You're fueling your body the smart way. Alright, guys, so here's the deal. We've got this big bowl of chopped pears, right? And I gotta let you in on a little secret. That just wasn't enough for me. Like, seriously. Hey there, my lovely dough. How's it going? Flour the table again. If it's sticky, I like to use a spoon. Nothing gets wasted here. Look at that dough, nice and fluffy. Next, begin by taking a piece of dough and roll it out with a rolling pin into a round circle. Use a little bit of flour if you need to. Work it gently. The dough has a perfect texture and is fun to work with. You can make the circle as big as you want. Put chopped pears in the middle as much as you like for those healthy buns. How many pears is too many pears? Today I'm finding out by making 1 giga bun with a mega amount of pears. Check out this super-sized pear bun. Perfect for when you want pears with buns. Just a little experiment, don't worry. The others will be more normal, haha. Pinch the edges of the dough together with your fingers. It's so satisfying when the dough stretches like this without tearing. Shape it into a bun. I didn't have enough pears, so I used frozen sweet cherries instead. Did you know sweet cherries are not just delicious, but a powerhouse for your health? These tiny gems are packed with antioxidants that help fight inflammation, support heart health, and even improve sleep thanks to natural melatonin. They're rich in vitamins like C and potassium, giving your body a tasty boost of immunity and energy. I use leftover chickpea water as a substitute for egg whites, yolks, or both. Guys, check out that fluffy, awesome liquid. Just slather it on those buns, alright? Toss those buns in the oven, crank it up to 200 degrees Celsius, and let them bake for about 15 minutes. Ta-dam! Those simple, tasty, healthy buns are ready.